Keep on going, but I just turned around at some subdivision. Alright, you good.
Huh?
I'm recording. How you doing? I'm doing good.
He worked from 12 at night till 9 in the morning. Like all night in the morning.
How much you make an hour?
11.
11?
Yeah.
It's alright, I guess.
That's what I'm saying.
Let's see here. Let's go up a little bit. Okay, yeah. I need the helmet for this. God. Push it.
How's the Nads? Huh?
So what now?
How's the Nads?
I don't know what you're saying.
How's the Nads? The go Nads.
Oh, they good. I'm just worried about my legs getting stuck on something. That over. Feel pretty bad. Ah! Kicking up mud on me. Bring that here, boy. Oh, I got that butt foot. Ah! Stuff is nasty. Tabasco. That's the tobacco product. Tabasco product. Ow. Hit my leg. Oof. Oh, shit. Almost fell. Oh, don't go that way. Go that way. Ah! Gets real bad. It's so cold. Whoa. Do that again. Oh yeah. Ah, my face. Ow. Oh. You got this? Alright. Ah. Oh. I didn't know you meant that way. Oh yeah, burnout. Oh, about to burn myself.
Hey, when I was behind you, no.
Oh yeah, come on, come on.